I've recently done my Advanced Digital Marketing Diploma course with DMTI SoftPro, a wonderful institute with co-founders Poonam and Dipen Mashru, bringing in so much passion into everything that they do that it just flows on to all of us who are studying with them. I'm Nayan Maskai. I have over 25 years of experience in the spices and food safety industry. Being a lead auditor in global standards for food safety, I provide consultancy and training services in this field, in addition to being a compliance and ethics professional. And we also curate events and are customized solution providers. Now, the reason I'm sharing this background is you can be of any background, any profession, any age, any gender. Digital marketing world is open to just all of us. No restrictions and no conditions attached. The course that I am doing covers 30 modules. But even if you do not want to become a digital marketer, you can choose selected modules which are available for your own personal benefits. You can become a blogger, write for yourself, or become a content writer, write blogs and other things for others. You can become a freelancer. You can do just about anything and everything. Today's world is digital, and there's no arguments about that. So the best thing is to have our presence in the digital ground in the best way possible, and what best than the experts helping us reach there. So I look forward to anybody watching this clip to become my alumni of DMTI Institute, DMTI Soft Pro. Welcome. And the icing on the cake, they have now started online options. I would never have been able to enroll myself if I had to visit any of their centers spread all across Mumbai. In these times, you can do all that you want sitting at home, and thank you so much for offering this online workshop with live training and also providing the recording in case we want to refer to it or if we have missed a class but for any reason.